Guys, it's Ruthie with the Popal Backyard Farm. I'm working on my study Bibles. This is an old Bible I had. I think it might be a Phillips that I acquired, and the New Testament in Modern English. And I am calling this one the Cowboy Bible. And I know that there is a Cowboy Bible out there, but I'm going to be making my own Cowboy Bible. I even wrote Cowboy Bible on it. So I put a chick in there because, cowboy might have some chicks and stuff that looks a little bit like cowboy stuff in there. And then if you turn it over, Bible notes. And actually, this one's in Judges. And let's see, I'll show you. More notes. And I'm turning all my old Bibles into study Bibles, and we're going to, help get the word out there. If you collect old Bibles, turn them into study Bibles and donate them. And some people are what they call tribulation missionaries. You can take all your old Bibles. I think they said the average family has 9 Bibles in their house. Anyone that are not being used, you'll make something with them. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, this was interesting. I was studying the Passover a little bit today in Exodus. A couple things. It looks like with the plague of the darkness and stuff, that it kind of gave the Israelites some time maybe to get ready to leave. I don't know enough about it. I have to do more research, but one of the interesting things about that is when they took God took the firstborn of animals and people, it also took away those dreams, because in the firstborn son sometimes had maybe say if he was a king's son, maybe he had more rights and different things. But I wanted to just kind of highlight that information. But he took away God took away that for, all the sins that they were doing. And it's interesting. But, see some things with my Cowboy Bible. I just started working on this one. And this is a nice version. I'm pretty sure it's a Phillips, but let me walk in and see if I can see in the front here. This is the old Bible. Yep, J.P. Phillips Bible. It's just the New Testament. Now I also found this, which I think I'm going to put my Cowboy Bible in it once I fix it. What do you think? Just needs some repair. And I know the zipper's broken, but it'll be cool. Who knows, maybe I'll take this right off. But that'd be a cool little case. Put all your Bible stuff in there with the Cowboy Bible, and have fun upcycling old Bibles that you can donate after making study Bibles to other people, right? And you can even give it as a gift to someone. Like, say, I like to upcycle Bibles, and fill it full of godly information to help them grow their faith. But this is pretty cool. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take the handle off. If you have any thoughts, you can let me know. But yeah, so Cowboy Bible. Study that Exodus 11. Learn a little bit more about that Passover. Jesus is our Passover lamb. He took and paid the price. In the Old Testament, they had sacrifices and things, and they looked forward to the cross for their salvation, where we look back at the cross for our salvation. So I hope this was a blessing to you, and leave any notes, comments, questions you may have in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And you can even ask me some Bible questions. And I don't know everything, but I'm always learning, and maybe even another one of our readers might even have some answers for you. And with that, I want to just point out that David Guzik, he is from Calvary Chapel. I think he used to teach as the president of a Bible school in another country. But I'm pretty sure on Thursdays, Eastern Standard Time at 3 p.m., he has a whole hour that he'll answer all your questions, and he's got some good stuff. He also goes through a good chunk of the Bible on YouTube. So you can type in the book of Ephesians, David Guzik, and you can listen to all his teachings, and he's really solid. He's just one of my favorites. So, okay guys, so remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.